In a video presentation I did for WeDidIt.Health, I cover how to make oil-free, plant-based, vegan Thanksgiving recipes so you won't gain weight over the holidays. These are recreations, so you won't feel like you're giving up your favorite traditional foods this time of year. These recipes are healthier than other Thanksgiving recipes because they are low in fat and I use whole foods. They are also delicious, so it's a wonderful way to introduce plant-based foods to family and friends. In the beginning of the video, I share a sugar-free chocolate peanut butter recipe. So if you want to go straight to the Thanksgiving recipe ideas, play the video at 10:09. And YouTube thinks you'll like this other video I made, so come back and check that out too.